Hello and enjoy another ad-free video for this month. Thank you, TotalOS supporters. All right, so top right, we got three dots. We're going to click Extensions, Manage Extensions, or visit the Chrome Web Store. I'm going to click that, and let's say we want to install the Zoom extension as an example. Click Add to Chrome, and I'm going to click Add Extension. And you can see it has been added. Now if I go to my extensions tab, Chrome, and scroll down to Chrome extension, it's going to bring up all the extensions that I have installed, as you see here. Don't install too much. Go back to the tab, the top right, click the three dots, and let's say I want to remove this, remove from Chrome. Click remove, and it's really that easy. Yeah, it doesn't matter if you're running the Chromebook or Windows or whatever, but that's how you install or uninstall extensions on your computer. To that person who asked the question, I hope this helps you out. You can check out extensions and themes, by the way. Very, very easy. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.